Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. Hopefully it's not the first time you have visited our channel, but if it is, thank you for checking it out. Do have a look on some of the other videos we've got on the channel. We have loads of different bits and pieces, from the truck styling, vans, hydro dipping, you name it. Lots of bits and pieces on there, so do check some of the other bits out. The reason you're checking out today's video is we have another lovely Ford Ranger Wildtrak in with us. So this has come to us for some more styling, turned into another Black Stag Edition. So we're now going to go over have a look at the truck. It's got a few bits and pieces it's in for. So we've got the new alloy wheels, which are the Warlord, Black Rhino Warlords in matte gun metal. We got a wide arch kit, front city bar, light surrounds, the matte black light surrounds. What else we got? Rear Ford badge into matte black, so quite a few bits and pieces. New Predator front grille, and then our Black Stag Edition decals on it as well. Excuse the geese. So we're now going to check out the truck. Here she is. Here is the new Ford Ranger Wildtrak, in for a few bits and pieces. Right, so we've had a nice little look around the truck, so we're going to now look to, excuse the geese, look at them there we go. So we're now going to get this into the workshop and start stripping all the bits. So one of the guys is now going to bring it in. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos, like and subscribe to the old channel, turn on the notifications as well, and you'll stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. So we're now going to roll the old intros, get it in the workshop. Here we go. Right, okay, so as you can see, we've now got the pickup into the workshop, and Paul is now about to start stripping some of the bits. As I will just turn the old camera around, just about to get started here with the grill coming off. I just thought we thought we'd show you the parts. So we have our Predator grill. There we go, lovely grill this. It'll have our Black Stag logo in the middle. We've got our matte black light surrounds, that's front and back light surrounds. Wheel arch kit, so this is the colour coded, so in agate black, 75mm wide arch kit with the little bolts in. We have a front spoiler bar as well, so this is in the black. These are a nice quality bar to go on the lower front bumper section. And then we've got a few other little bits and pieces as well on the van. So stickers to come off down the sides and the back. Rear badge, rear Ford badge will be removed. We'll have a quick look around here at that. So we've got the rear Ford badge that's in the chrome at the moment, so we'll take that off and do that in matte black, and the Ranger decals as well to come off. Like I say, light surrounds to on these little beauties as well. So yeah, well, Paul's going to crack on with removing some bits, and away we go. Right, nearly forgot to mention, we've also got the 20-inch Black Rhino Warlord wheels, which we'll now show you. These are in the matte sort of gunmetal grey. Lovely wheel these. We fitted a few of these in the different colours over the recent months. We've got the Cooper AT3 tyres as well, so a nice all-terrain tyre. Good tyre this for on the road as well, giving a little less road noise than a normal one. And then you've got the blue, looks like sort of paint over the top here. That'll all be washed off with the pressure washer, leaving the white writing, so that'll all be coming off as well. So they are all sitting there ready to go on the vehicle, so we'll just carry on getting everything stripped. Right, so now time to get a bit of the old bond onto the wheel arches. This is our Terrason panel bond glue. Good stuff, this Paul, isn't it? Good stuff.
It is good stuff, yeah.
Won't go anywhere once this is on. There we go, so we've got a few blobs all the way around. The tape will help hold it in place, and then that'll hold it in place whilst the bonding agent goes off. So we now get this arch on. One of the other things we just fitted as well I say Paul has just fitted, is the matte black light surround. So we've got the rear ones on. And they just had a nice little touch. So the lights have been cleaned, and then the surrounds all fitted. There we go. They look rather smart as well. Right, Rob's now getting the sensors all swapped in the new wheels. The sensors swapped from the old wheels into the new wheels. So we'll just see how he's getting on with that. I think we've got one of the wheels down here. Look, rather smart. Sensors already swapped from the original wheels, which are sitting there. So we stick standard valves back in these. You can see just down there, and swap the TPMS valves and sensors over. I've gone the wrong side here. Go look. So Rob's just swapping that over. So that's your little TPMS sensor screwed into, and they screw into the bottom of the valves, don't they, Rob?
Yep.
There we go. There we go. So that'll be getting them pumped back up and onto the vehicle. We've got a couple of the wheels already on, so Rob's already done the front ones. So there we go. They're on the vehicle. Sit nicely with the arches now. That's a colour coded arches in the agate black 75mm arch kit, so they'll sit nicely with the new wheels. Next thing is getting the bar onto the bottom, new grilling. Got our badges and bits and pieces to go on. Paul's just stripping the rear badge off at the moment because that's going in the matte black. There we go, now time to get the grill in. This is our Predator grill. Smart bit of kit this. And this will have our shield in the middle there. That'll be stuck on at the end, or later on at least. Thank you, Paul, we've got the bar on. Yep. Lower spoiler bar is all on, looking smart. Just finished fitting the old grill. So one of the things we're also doing is removing the decals from the sides. This is the Ranger and Wildtrak decals, and then fitting our own Black Stag Edition decals. So Paul's already on this, but this side are now off, which had the Wildtrak down the sides. Yeah, and then now we've got the fog shield, tinted fog shield, that's all now on. In fact, he's already on it, he's got this side off completely. Hello, Paul. There he is.
Hello, mate.
Oh, mate. There we go.
Trying to keep cool.
I don't blame you, mate. You're always cool. Always looking cool. Suave and sophisticated.
With the earmuffs and glasses.
You got it. So we've got the matte black badge. Once that's all done, to go back on the back of it here, which was chrome. No other decals on the back, just our ones on the sides. So yeah, we'll be shortly getting them all on as well. Gonna look smart. Obviously our crest on the front as well. So don't forget to follow us on our different social medias, Instagram and Facebook, and check out some of the other videos on the channel. Lots of trucks on there that we've done, so check them out as well. Right, so it's now time to get the Black Stag Edition decals onto the side of the truck. Tommy and Paul are on that right now, getting them all lined up. Ready to get them stuck on. Right guys, I thought I'd just very quickly show you, we've just had our latest delivery of some of our new clothing. So we thought, well, as they've just arrived, literally just arrived, here are the boxes. This is Steve Carousel Clothing has produced all of these for us, so we've got a couple of new colours. So we have, starting off with the one hanging up here, we've got our sort of dark, sort of almost like a navy blue with the white design. Our Black Stag design. So we've got t-shirts, small, medium, large. Of course got our grey, which you've probably seen before I take that off. Got our grey, and then some of our other colours as well. Check these out on the old website. And then we've got our sort of a military green, this is. So we'll start, we've got the t-shirts. So again, available small, medium and large. We can do extra large and what have you as well. Black design on the green, really cool. And then our hoodies as well. So we've got these in all the different sizes as well. There we go, there's the design, looking really smart. So do give us a shout, or check us out on the old website. These will be going onto the website very soon. Give us a call if you're interested. We've got our mannequin behind us that's sporting some of our clothing. Got caps as well. A few different bits and pieces. Have a look on there, give us a shout, get some of our merchandise on the go. Fantastic, here we go. Right, here we go. We are now all done with the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Of course, now turned into a nice Black Stag Edition. Looking rather smart. Now going to have a little walk over to it. As you know, we've done quite a few bits and pieces to this. Lovely looking bit of kit now, and let's have a little look round it. Right, there we go guys, another one of the Ford Ranger Wildtraks, now all finished. We've given you the little walk up to the vehicle, and what a knockout this is looking. So we'll start with the front of the vehicle. We have supplied and fitted our Predator matte black grille with, of course, our Black Stag shield in the middle. We've got the bug shield running across the front of the bonnet, and our matte black light surrounds to the front as well. Looking really smart, these little touches. Of course, then at the bottom of the bumper we have our black spoiler bar, just finishing off the front of the vehicle. Then of course, running down the sides we have our, of course, 75mm colour coded and agate black wheel arch kit, or wide arch kit, with the little bolts running around the edges. They've all been supplied, fitted of course by ourselves as you've seen, and of course bonded onto the vehicle so they won't go anywhere. To finish off, of course, the arches, we have some Warlord Black Rhino gunmetal grey alloy wheels, 20-inch with the Cooper AT3 all-terrain tyres, just finishing off that nice off-roady sort of style, proper pickup style look to the sides. We've of course then got our Black Stag Edition decals, so we've de-stickered the vehicle all the way around, no Wildtrak, no Ranger decals, and added our Black Stag Edition decals in the matte black and the grey to the sides of the vehicle. Of course, finishing off to the back of the vehicle, we have taken off the Ford badge, done that in the matte black, and then refitted that to the truck, and just added our little Black Stag shield to the bottom section of that, and the matte black light surrounds on the rear to go with the front. So a few nice little touches to this vehicle. Don't forget, do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any styling on any vehicle. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe, of course. Stay fully up to date by turning the notifications on. You won't miss anything then. Give us a shout if we can help. We look forward to catching you for another video in the very near future, we hope. And we'll give you a last look around the vehicle, and we'll catch you again in the not too distant future. Take care. Thanks very much.